Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down, finally, once again on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you another another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video.
I know, we've been busy.
It's been
Traveling. I went back to work.
I've been able to do action drives, but
We were calling them solo drives for a while.
solo drives for a while, action drives for a moment. Trying a new frame rate on the cameras tonight. I think I like this better. You guys comment in the comments down below what you like better, but I am thinking I like this better. Makes it much easier.
That was a great roundabout, by the way.
Nicely handled.
Whee!
If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm.
Have you had it where all of a sudden will throw a turn signal and try to go around the person when you're sitting in the light like this?
Yep.
Yeah, I've been having that recently.
With this build.
Yeah.
On your what I call my off-camera drives.
I only get it when I'm out, like, in that intersection before my school.
Yeah.
That's the only place it happens. I didn't realize how big those weeds are at the rock.
It's not those ones, it's the bushes across the street.
No, I know, but I was looking at those ones. Those are huge over there.
Mm. Yeah, this looks way better.
I just realized they don't have tabs on my car. They have like a yellow sticker of some kind.
I wonder if it's like a government vehicle.
Maybe. What do you call them in California? You guys don't call them tabs.
Oh, I see. I've lived in this. This shows you how long I've lived in Washington, in the sense that it takes me longer to remember what Californians call it.
Yeah.
Tags?
Tags, yeah.
Tags, right?
Yeah. Because I remember the first time you were like, I gotta put the tags on the car. I was like,
yes.
The tags?
I was like, oh, it's gonna take me a moment. But it shows you how long I've lived in the Pacific Northwest now. It's like fry sauce. Like everybody, like I love fry sauce now, but the first time you ever told me about fry sauce, I had no clue what that was all about.
Yeah.
That was an experience.
I only like Zips fry sauce, I'll be honest.
I like Brew Cheese has pretty good fry sauce.
Yeah. Comment down below, do you know what fry sauce is?
Yeah. Do you even know what the heck we're talking about?
All right. Guess it changed its mind.
Faked lane change there. I missed this.
What, the flying?
Yeah. Where I can basically show everybody what it's doing and...
Yeah. It's been a while. We've been busy. Back to school is always really busy for me.
Back to school, back to school.
To show Dad that I'm no fool. You know, the only reason I agreed to do this today after working in the yard all morning was because I knew I didn't have to drive.
Right?
I just have to monitor. Systems monitoring.
System monitoring.
All right.
Yeah, it has been diving in this lane here. We've had that diving in the left lane on Bob Olson on this road. Sorry, I should have warned you about that. That's the only area it has been doing it. Like, it hasn't chosen to do it here or anything like that. Otherwise, it's been fine.
Mm-hmm.
Might need you to stick with the 45 actual speed limit rather than the +8 over, or 8%.
Okay. Your car is not responding to the... Oh, there. Okay, I see it now.
Sorry, Doug, on Sci-Fi. It's a little bit harder to see on the camera there, I know.
I was like, did I do it?
Can you slow down a little bit more?
Yeah.
43 is fine. It's a bit windy up here today.
Yeah.
I don't see anybody behind you, so I'm not really worried about it.
I got someone coming up, but they're really far behind. If they get closer, I'll just get the word.
No worries. I can try to cut this turn a little bit here.
Alright, just
Here, I'll try to do a little fancy flying.
let me know what you need.
Fancy flying this way.
Fancy flying.
Fancy sideways flying. And another little fancy sideways flying this way. And I'm caught back up. Woohoo!
I think we have to go under those power lines to go to Desert Hills. I can't remember.
No, I'm not worried about it. I know which ones you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's a little bit easier for me to see in my new frame rate.
I think it's been like 3 weeks since we've done a drive together.
Indeed. It's been a lot of action drives.
Because we did the last drive when I was in my PD days, like before students showed up. So yeah, it's like 3 weeks.
You're not.
I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, the nag. The delicate nag that feels like the Goldilocks of nags.
Right? Because I was like, I was doing it, and it was like, no.
Where it's...
All right, we were going to turn left there. Okay.
Why were we going to go left there?
It's a great
That's
question.
not our destination.
I'm going to go left here, too. Good.
Oof.
Good. You see him, right?
Yeah.
The power lines.
Yeah.
All right, you got plenty of time. Well, it's a sheriff, so let's not do anything too stupid.
Come on, Lightning, you got this.
Busy day at the school. Oh, little pee-wee football, whatever they call it.
It's that time of year again.
Yeah. No.
Well, we are going into the school.
Not
Oh,
there.
the wrong parking lot.
Well, I guess we can, but I was just gonna
Oh
go
yeah,
over
no,
here.
but if you, well, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. You can tell we're a bit clumsy on this particular drive because we're a bit rusty.
No, I was going here because there's so many people over there.
No, and as a sense of like I'm trying to navigate
Yeah.
and talk to you as far as like you be
Yeah.
the driver and that kind of stuff and find our destination. But at any rate, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this crazy YouTube algorithm. And once again, I'm Gray Shot Down alongside Doggone Sci-Fi. This has been another full self-driving 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. Thanks for tuning in.